Okay, so I'm gonna try use sweep. I can't remember how to set it up, so I'm gonna go find their website, sweep.ai. Oh, sweep.dev. Okay, install sweep and add the repository you want. Where's the green button? Here we go. Snake GPT. Okay, we've added the repository. Excellent. This is why I like it. This is exactly how, as like a software engineering manager, you would make tasks for your junior developers by creating issues in either Jira or in this case GitHub, which is awesome. Like keeping it all in GitHub I think is awesome. And you start it with sweep, so you'd be like, sweep in this file, use this. All right, let's see, what do we want to change with our app? So our app is kind of like this. It's a snake game where our snake changes color and there's AI snakes. So okay, one thing that I've noticed is our snake starts as white, so it's hard to tell which one is our snake. So I'm gonna say have our snake starting color is blue, right? Let's see if it can do that. It's gonna be vague though, that's the issue. So I don't know if it will work, but I'm keen to try it out. So I think we go sweep colon, change the starting color of the user player snake to blue. This is like, I'll be very impressed if it does this. Okay, so I think we just submit the issue and sweep AI picks it up. Okay, so straight away you see it added the sweep label and it's added a comment now that it's searching for the code, right? It's analyzing the code first. Let's see if this works. Okay, step 2, some code snippets I looked at. Let's see what it's found. Snake.py. Excellent. So this is where we've set it to white by default. So this is the line that we wanted to change. Let's see if it's smart enough to figure that out. Oh, it's also looked at game.py and all output and readme and the AI snake, but we only want the normal snake. Let's see if it can figure it out. Come on, sweep AI. Last time I tried this, it didn't work, so I'm really hoping that it works this time. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller so there's just black behind me. Makes it easier for the TikTok. What is it called? Okay, yes, this is perfect. Look, I'm looking for the relevant snippets and I've decided to make the following modifications. In the snake class, change the default color from white to blue by replacing the line. This is an RGB definition to just red and green fully off and blue on full. This is perfect. This is literally perfect. And it's making a PR. That is perfect. Did it make the PR? No, not yet. So this is also perfect because this flow, making a pull request, is the ideal flow for a development structure. Like, so here's how it works: is the software engineer manager or the senior software engineer or even the business admin. So you don't even actually need to be a software engineer now. A business admin could make this issue on GitHub. The developer picks up the issue and submits a PR. And then the senior developer can look over the PR, do the code review, and like merge it in. So right now we'll check the pull request. Boom, here we go. Change the starting color of the snake to blue. And it writes a brilliant PR. So this is better than what I would do. I'm too lazy to write this. Look at description and a nice title. This PR stands for pull request. Changes the starting color of the snake to blue. In the snake class constructor, these are the changes made. Replace the file here. Tested the changes locally and verified this. Okay, I don't think this is legit, but it's like, it sounds legit. It sounds great. And it references the issue as well that it fixed. It reviewed it itself. And then me as the developer can jump out. Does it do unit tests? Oh my god, it does. It says it does, but oh, I don't think it did. There's no unit test written. It's just set that to like sound good. Because look, you can look at the files it's changed. The only thing it's changed is this. Oh, it changed the comment as well, which is really nice. But it's perfect. So now I can review it. I can merge the pull request into main. confirm this merge, and that's it. And I'll also confirm, so I made this other one, which is, yo, we got a person on Kick. How do I pronounce his name? Kai-Don Small. Kai-Do-One Small. Kai-Do-One Somali. Kai-Do-One Smale. Oh man, it took me 3 trials. So thank you so much for the comment on Kick. I appreciate everyone that follows me on Kick, because hopefully they'll pay me eventually. I'm gonna merge this one as well, which is just something that Sweep wants in their config. So now I can go into my local version of the snake game, make this a bit bigger for you guys, remove this sidebars, and just go get pull, because we've merged it into the main branch. It will quickly pull all the changes, and if we run the file again, hopefully we start with a blue snake. Oh no, so it's made every snake blue. And that's because the AI snakes are actually building off the same class as the player snake, right? So let's see if Sweep AI can fix that. Make a new issue. We'll be like, Sweep, extend the snake class to take in a color for initial color for the snakes, and change the AI snake file to initialize the snakes as random colors. I'm gonna make it an optional, so we don't have to specify it for the player. Okay, let's see if we can do this. So I'm gonna try make it so that the AI snakes are all random colors. So Power says, can't believe it can even do OOP, object-oriented programming. I can believe that. I'm just impressed with this whole, like, approach that is all within GitHub. I think that's a great solution. Looking at the code, yes, these are the right files. It should change. It's coding it now. Look, it says added unit test. Oh shit, I accidentally clicked it. But I don't think it actually does unit tests. Has this made a pull request yet? Yes. Extend the snake class to accept optional color and initialize snakes with random color. Let's look at the commits, or the files changed rather. It's removed the comment for AI snake. That's random. Why? Okay, I mean, sure. Actually, let's look at snake.py first. Okay, yes, it's added the optional color, and yep, perfect. That's a perfect change. And here it's gone color random int. Yep, super initialize the color. That looks perfect. Dude, I'm really impressed with this Sweep did with random AI colors. So hopefully now if we do this, we'll have colorful different snakes. Yeah, we do. Cool. And the user is blue. Very cool. Okay, I think I'll leave Sweep from there. It's passed every single test we've given it with 0 bugs, which is really impressive. So I'm really happy about that.